Hi guys, Retrocengo here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at this. It's a microphone. I didn't buy it. I have never used a microphone before, but this is actually from one of my subscribers here in Denmark. His name is Christian, and he actually sent me this for a month ago or something. I don't really remember, but he just wrote that Christian is a huge supporter. I love that guy. We gained a friendship through YouTube. That's just awesome. And he said that I really need to have a microphone. And he sent me this one, and he said try to make one of these running video talking into a microphone video scripted. They are very popular. Try doing it that way. It's not as authentic, but it sounds much better than the microphone in your camera. So yeah, I got this one. and oh, it's not a cheap microphone. All right. Now it's called Snowball ICE Black plug and play USB microphone. Yeah, all right. It's good for Skype and Twitch and FaceTime. Add crystal clear audio to your recordings for YouTube. Hell yeah, we like that. Create podcasts. Okay. Sounds nice. Alright guys, this one has got custom condenser capsule, offers crystal clear audio. Alright. Nice. So let's just unbox it. Thank you, Christian. I mean, yeah, I'm not offended of the quality, you know, but let's just look at this. Yeah. Okay, we got a small box in the big box here, and it contains something. It contains USB cable for the connection. It contains, what is this? Oh, this must be the, oh, it's pretty heavy, guys. Damn. It must be the legs for the microphone. It's heavy. Nice. And we got a Snowball ICE manual. I mean, manuals and me, they're just, no way. Hate manuals. I'm the kind of guy that just tries and masters. Alright, look at this. We got a black Snowball here. Nice. So this mic should be an awesome mic. I have no idea. But I'm gonna make a video. I don't know how to use these, but I'm gonna make a video where I talk into this mic and let's just check out the quality. I'm just gonna start one of my videos and I'm gonna talk into this mic and see how it's gonna happen. Again, let's not read any manuals, guys. Let's just do it. I'm the old generation. We just did stuff. There we go. Now we're ready. I'm gonna talk into this with great audio quality. With there we go. I mean, no driver CDs, no nothing. I think Windows will just detect this one, and yeah, let's make a review of it. I mean, again, Christian, thank you. thank you, dear friend. It's awesome with all these crazy donations that I'm getting. It's incredible. There we go, guys. It's all plug and play. Now we got a mic on my channel, Retrocengo, with Snowball ICE microphone. I'm gonna make some scripted videos now. Yeah, Alright guys, well, I like the design of it. It looks nice, but I think it would be nicer if it was in white, but yeah, it's a fun one. He wrote something about if it should capture the sound real nice, because here where I'm filming, it's it's a really big room dash living room and all that. It's really a big place, and there should be a lot of echo in my voice, and this one should make it sound much better. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and my next video will be a talk into the microphone video, so subscribe and stay tuned guys. Again, Christian, thank you for this awesome donation, friend. Have a nice day, bye.